Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney office hours from March 4th. The biggest thing they're working on is obviously version 8. They have a model they could launch next week, but they're debating whether they should try to make any bigger changes, specifically around missing features like image prompts or style references. David said they're at the last set of evaluations, trying to balance aesthetics with coherence, and asking themselves at what point is it good enough. He said they have some research coming down the pipe that will improve a lot of things, but he did not elaborate on that. If you like the art in this video, here is the prompt. It is a spotlight in the void profile from Brian in the Future Tech Academy. --PILJG4BR. There's your recap of the Midjourney office hours. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.